resources. Anything that satisfies human needs is known as a resource. Gifts of nature such as air, water, soil, forests and minerals, as well as human creations such as buildings, roads, etc. are resources because they satisfy various human needs.
The utilization of resources depends upon various factors like skills of human beings, availability of capital, advancement of technology like tools, machines, etc., availability of transport and communication facilities, availability of water, renewable resources. Resources which can be used again and again either naturally or by human efforts are known as renewable resources. For example, solar energy, air and water. Solar and wind energy are those renewable resources which are always available and do not get exhausted by human activities. Non-renewable resources. Resources which take a longer period of time to be renewed are known as non-renewable resources. They are also known as exhaustible resources as they cannot be renewed. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas and other minerals are the examples of non-renewable resources. The non-renewable resources are limited on Earth's surface and complete utilization of such resources would result in their exhaustion. These resources have to be used very carefully. Biotic. Resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life are known as biotic resources. For example, birds, animals, fish, forest, etc. All biotic resources are renewable, but some take a long period of time to be renewed like forest. Abiotic. All non-living resources are known as abiotic resources. For example, land, water, minerals, etc. These resources are not renewable except water, which is inexhaustible. Natural resources. Resources available from nature in the form of water, minerals, forest, etc. and are used by human beings to satisfy their needs are known as natural resources. Man-made resources. Resources created by human beings to satisfy their needs are known as man-made resources. For example, roads, buildings, machines, bridges, etc. Potential resource. These are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known, and these are not being used at present. These resources could be used in future. The uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resource that could be used in the future. Actual resources. The actual resources of a country are those which have been thoroughly surveyed and their quantities are ascertained. For example, the rich deposits of coal in the Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in the West Asia, the dark soils of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra. Sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is known as sustainable development. Overuse of many valuable resources have led to their degradation. For example, soil, land, and water resources. Resources should be utilized carefully and properly so that after fulfilling our present requirements, they can be preserved for the future generations. Conservation. It means sustainable utilization of resources. It is necessary to use the resources more efficiently and reduce wastage. Development of technology, human skill, and population control is essential for a long-term sustainability of natural resources.